Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly capture attention and build a passionate following? Imagine unlocking the secrets to transforming your unique skills into a powerful influence. In today's video, we're diving into the game-changing strategies that could elevate your impact and redefine your success. Expert Secrets: The Underground Playbook for Finding Your Message, Building a Tribe, and Changing the World, by Russell Brunson, is a comprehensive guide designed to help individuals leverage their expertise and turn it into a thriving business or movement. The book is aimed at those who have valuable knowledge or skills but struggle to share them effectively or build a following. Brunson, a successful entrepreneur and founder of ClickFunnels, offers a step-by-step approach to creating a powerful personal brand and influencing others through expertise. The book opens by establishing the premise that everyone has a unique message or area of expertise that, if shared effectively, can inspire and transform the lives of others. Brunson argues that the key to success in any field is not just having expertise but also knowing how to communicate it in a way that resonates with your audience. He emphasizes the importance of finding and refining your core message, which is central to building a successful business or movement. Brunson introduces the concept of becoming an expert, not just in terms of knowledge, but in terms of how you present and market that knowledge. He stresses that being an expert involves more than just having deep knowledge in a particular area. It requires the ability to share that knowledge in a compelling way that engages and motivates your audience. This involves understanding your audience's needs, crafting a message that addresses those needs, and using various marketing strategies to disseminate that message effectively. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to building a tribe or community around your expertise. Brunson outlines strategies for attracting and engaging with a loyal following. He discusses the importance of creating a sense of belonging and connection among your audience, which can lead to increased trust, loyalty, and advocacy for your message. The book provides practical advice on how to build and nurture this community through various channels, including social media, email marketing, and live events. Another critical aspect of Expert Secrets is the concept of creating a value ladder. Brunson explains that to maximize the impact of your expertise, you should offer a range of products or services that cater to different levels of engagement and investment. This value ladder allows you to provide increasing levels of value to your audience, from free content to premium offerings, and helps you build a sustainable business model. He provides examples of how successful entrepreneurs have used this approach to grow their businesses and reach a wider audience. Brunson also addresses the importance of storytelling and conveying your message. He argues that storytelling is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience on an emotional level and making your message more memorable and impactful. The book includes techniques for crafting compelling stories that illustrate your expertise and resonate with your audience's experiences and aspirations. Throughout the book, Brunson emphasizes the importance of taking action and implementing the strategies discussed. He provides practical exercises and action steps designed to help readers apply the concepts and build their own successful ventures. Brunson's approach is both motivational and actionable, with a focus on helping readers overcome common obstacles and achieve their goals. Expert Secrets also includes case studies and examples from a variety of successful entrepreneurs and influencers who have applied the principles outlined in the book. These examples serve to illustrate the effectiveness of Brunson's strategies and provide inspiration for readers looking to follow a similar path. In conclusion, Expert Secrets offers a comprehensive roadmap for turning your expertise into a powerful personal brand and business. Russell Brunson provides valuable insights and practical strategies for finding your message, building a community, and creating a sustainable business model. The book is designed to help readers not only share their knowledge but also make a meaningful impact on their audience and achieve their personal and professional goals.